See what happens. Let me know if you want them, and I'll fire the skid steer up.
Yeah.
Good Lord! Oh, you f***ing cunt. A locking asshole. That's f***ing great. Holy f***, you guys do good work. Right?
Today's Sunday, supposed to be day of relaxation.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Next project. Holy f***. Careful! Oh yeah.
All right, you have a good day.
You
Thanks,
too.
man.
Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, right on. Need that.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Have a good day.
You too. That's one of those should be the shut off, no? Holy fuck. Where am I parking this f***ing jalopy? Maybe just park it over here. Good hard, boys. Oh, yeah. Let's park her like over there somewhere.
I can shut it off and show you how to start it and move it.
Holy fuck already? This is a nice fucking unit. How much? load it onto my trailer and bring it to the f***ing scrapyard. Good lord. So he like bought this like recently, or?
Yeah.
Good purchase. He makes good financial decisions as well.
Quite often, yeah.
This is just like an extra
so
for...
he wants to be able to put the skid steer stuff on here, like the bucket stuff like that, for loading the dump truck. He wants it, and mainly, this main reason is actually to put the mower behind it, tow around, and chop everything down. But since it's going to be there, he'd like to be able to pick up the attachments with it and everything.
How much you pay? Oh. What happened? Why'd you poop a little bit?
I did too. I knew not to trust that door. Jump.
Why are you so scared all the time?
I know. Train horns. Here I am totally taking inventory in case you...
Yeah, just shopping.
Yeah, in case you croak. Trying to get a hold of Nelson.
For
You're
what?
right. So you got 100 of these fucking things, eh? Touching all your shit. Nelson's now avoiding me like he does you.
Right on. Why's that?
I want him to do the rings and bearings and that. I don't know how motor. Figured he could do it better than I can.
I
He
just
knows.
won't answer your call.
No, I call him. I'll try again today. Get Jennifer to call him. Good for you. Look at you.
You got to catch him like, you know, he gets home around, you know, like 5:36, and by like 7 he's drunk as fuck, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Done.
So like, you know, about, you know, 6:15 or so is probably the best time to try to get a hold of him.
And then once he starts talking, he just keeps...
Oh yeah. Story time with Nelson. You want a water? Look at the statey. You can hardly walk. Here, you want to take this home?
What the hell is that?
Well, it's coolant, but it's got a little oil on top.
Where did you get that from?
Oh, out of that truck on the hoist. They sold the engine out of it, so the guys wanted to piss all the fluid out on the ground. I said, well, we better collect at least some of that.
Wow. How many f***ing trucks do you have?
Well,
And you got...
I haven't counted in a while, but I just got
Where's my
another one
plow?
yesterday. Where's your what?
Where's the plow truck?
Around back. Why you want it?
Doesn't even have an ownership, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, it was the key that...
Yeah, it's got key and ownership. It cost me like $700 for the key, but
Yeah.
whatever. Right on, man. Smoke cigarettes.